Gab, saan mo gustong gumala?
Floating Campranic.
Okay, tara na. Alis na tayo.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Nanto ka na? Sleep ka na? Sleep? Abe? Tutulog. Ala ka, pag nahulog ka dyan, ala. Oh. Hindi, pwede natin ibaba yan mamaya eh. Pag dito makakasakit.
Umaga na. Agi na.
Ito ang mahiwagang CR. Oh. Banyo. Ay! CR? No? Ito yung room namin. Na naglabas na lang sila ng table para dito kami kakain. Ayun ang bata. Oh, kakain kami bago mag-swimming. Wow, ang dami. Sarap. Bawal kumain dito ah.
Abot.
Hindi mo abot. Abot mo yan.
Hindi ko abot.
Mamaya manginginig ka na naman.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying solo. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, 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 what's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here.
Oo. Magkano ganyan? Ha? Ma'am. Magkano ganyan, ma'am? 6'6". May jacuzzi sa loob yan? Dapat pa rin nag-release doon. Tinigyan ako rin. 6'6". 6,600 yung price. Maliit dinosaur, no? Maliit. Ano niya yung nanay niya yan? Ah, ito nanay niya, no? Nasa tatay. Anak. Si Iggy. Ah, nanay. Liit. Ayun si kuya. Kay kuya yung tatay, no? Kay kuya, no? Oh. Oh. Ano, nakasakay sa dinosaur, oh. Oh. Wow, ginawang kabayo. Baligtad.
Sige, Gab.
Gab, Gab.
Ka dito.
Baka maputol yan. Ang ginagawa mo. Iba't ibang style ka.
Para makapag-nulis.
Ganis nga. Hindi, tama lang yung ano. Kaya. Ang galing naman mag-slide. Ang galing mag-slide na.
Sige. Sige.
Gab, mahulog ha. Ingat ha.
Sige. Gab.
Oo. Uy, umayos ka ng ano, slide. Superman. Kala mo may tubig ha. Enjoy na enjoy. Ang bata at ang isip bata. Lumalangit-ngit. Lumalangit-ngit yung... Wow, ang galing. Si mama, oh, ang bigat oh. Hindi maka... Oh. Hindi makatras.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your
Dito upo.
Hindi ako pwede upo dyan.
Again.
Masisira yan.
Yan.
Oo.
Iiri-igit mo.
Oo. Hindi masisira yan.
Bibit.
Lipat ka? Ha? Baligtad. Oo. Tumawag ha?
Nalilipot ako may slide.
Mamaya tayo mag-slide doon.
Nalilipot yung slide.
Saan lang kayo?
Ikutin muna.
Saan punta mama?
Yan lang.
Na? Na?
Alphamart lang. Yellow, no? Pwede yan. Yan yung ano yun eh.
Bakit tayo lang dalawa ka nga? Tayo lang tatlo.
Upo ka muna, upo. Upo, ganyan. Kaya mo yan. Sige, slide. Kaya. Oh, sige na, hawak mo na, Papa. Hindi na, akin na. Bilis. Hawak ka na pa, Papa. Akin na. Akin na yan, oh. Bilis, oh. Hawak kami ni Papa. Dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan. Oh. Hawak mo na, hawak ha. Tapos ko na ng picture. Hawak mo na, hawak. Ayaw mo na. Sige nga. Sige. Ayan na. Sige, subukan natin ha. Dito, hawak ka dito, hawak ka dito. Yabang oo. Yabang oo. Yabang naman yan. Sige, ano ginagawa mo? Break mo na.
Ha?
Open.
Mamaya na. Akin na.
Kasi kuya na.
Ay, sara mo natin kasi hindi lock. Kailangan naka-lock. Kailangan hindi makapo. Kung natin sa marilaw.
Si kuya marunong ha. Marunong bubble so. Ay, dito ka ba? Para mas ano. Mas malaki. Open din. Nag-blow ka? Morning, be. Andar ka na? Andar ka? Saan pupunta? Hindi ka naman uma-andar. Ha? Ayaw mo yan? Hindi pwede ibaba yan. Dito lang yan. Dito lang. Dito lang. Dito lang. Dito. Bird oh. Bird. Oh, sino bird? Oh. May bird. Oh, sige na. Lapit dun. Oo. Tulog. O, dyan na. Dyan tayo daan. Gab, dito be. Hindi, hawak ka. Ito yung fishing area nila. Dahan-dahan. Bangka, dito nagpi-fishing sila. Next balik namin magpi-fishing na kami ni Gab na be.
Dami kong alaman dito.
Hindi na alaman. Ayun yung mga fish niya. Daming fish ba?
Wala ko doon.
Ayun, ay dyan be. Dahan-dahan ha.
Doon ako bangka.
Gab. O Gab, madulas ka dyan ha. Maandar ba yan? Gabi Gay. Gumagana. Sa'yo ayaw? Sira. Wala battery? Oh, pwede gawa natin sa mekaniko. Ha? Yan. Ano gagawin natin dyan? Ha? Uwi. Meron tayo niyan eh. Di ba ganyan sa atin? O, meron tayo. Ba't mo pa iuwi yan? Okay lang, okay lang. Bawal yun, bad yun. Bad yun, mag-uuwi ka ng hindi sa'yo. Bad. O, syempre. Bad yun. Hahanapin ng may-ari yan. Pag tinanong, sino kumuha niyan? Si Miggy. Eh, ikaw lang eh. Si Miggy kumuha niyan. Papagalitan ka ng guard. Sabi ko nga, wag kukunin eh. Hindi ko uwi yan. Kasi ikaw nagsabi uwi eh, di ba? Oo, meron tayo niyan sa bahay. Di ba ganito yung sa atin, yung upuan mo? Di ba?
Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Opo.
Babalik. Kailan tayo babalik?
Uwi ate.
Pag-uwi ni ate. Balik tayo rito, ha? Kailang malamig tubig dito eh. Hindi naman kayo.
Hindi lang kalamba.
Nakalamba na lang tayo. Balik na.
Mag-ini.
Hindi mag-swimming. Sige na, sabi mo bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
na. Uwi na kami.
Uwi na kami. Hindi.
Ay, hindi. Hindi pa tayo uwi? Saan tayo pupunta?
Dito.
Dito. Saan?
Ito.
Yes lang. Sarap tulog mo dyan, no? Aircon. Sarap. Wait lang.